All right, are you guys worried about a power outage with your home lab and your devices coming back online, maybe when you're at work, away from home, or on a trip? Well, follow me over to the computer and I'm going to show you how to make all of your computers boot right back up soon as power has recovered within your home or whatever your environment is. Now that we're at our computer, we're going to just go ahead and boot whatever device you have into the BIOS. In the case of here, we're going to go into our advanced tab and then ACPI settings. If you're on a Dell or a Lenovo or maybe an HP device, it might be in your BIOS under power management. So keep that in mind. And we're going to click ACPI. And then if we scroll down, we're going to go to restore AC power loss. And then on Dell or HP or Lenovo, it's usually called AC recovery. So look for either of these terminologies and then specify what we want the state of the computer to do when power has been reapplied after a failure. In the case, we want that setting to say power on. And so now when your device loses power and then that power has been restored to your home or office or facility, all your computers will automatically turn back on. And now that's it for this video, but if you want to learn how to get all your virtual machines to auto start, check out the video we have linked up in the corner or down below, where we show within a Proxmox environment how to have your virtual machines auto boot back up after power loss has occurred. So thank you for watching. My name is Abe, signing off with another video.